In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step process on how to create a faceless niche YouTube channel, which will enable you to earn thousands of dollars every month, and an easy way to achieve monetization eligibility for your YouTube channel faster. Stay tuned and watch the full video to know how you can start earning from faceless YouTube niche channels faster. Faceless YouTube channel help you to build a long-term revenue stream and keep paying you for a long time, even if you stop uploading videos, as the revenue from your previous videos keeps flowing in. So let's get started. We will be going through 5 steps in this video, and the 4th step is my favorite and is most important, which will help you complete monetization for your YouTube channel faster. Step 1. Selecting a niche. You can start with selecting a niche for your YouTube channel. Some of the best niches include finance, health, gaming, technology and travel. Except these, there are also various other niches which you can explore by watching videos of successful faceless channels on YouTube like Brightside, the infographics show how to basic and cold fusion, among others. My suggestion would be to select a niche in which you have more interest. Step 2. Start making videos. Once you select a niche, the next step would be to start making videos. For that, you can start recording a voiceover with your phone's inbuilt microphone, or you can also buy a basic pocket-friendly mic for that. Then you can add stock video clips over the voiceover to finish your video. Channels like Brightside are doing the same thing and earning thousands of dollars per month. You can see the estimated earnings of the channel from Social Blade. This income is much more than you can earn from a full-time job. Step 3. Completing the monetization requirements. Before you start earning ad revenue from a YouTube channel, you need to fulfill the monetization requirements of YouTube. It requires you to complete 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to be eligible for YouTube channel monetization. Once you complete the monetization requirements, you can enable ads on your YouTube videos. YouTube will start paying you ad revenue every single time anyone watches the ads on your videos. These ads can appear before the start of the video or during the video. Step 4. Achieving monetization requirements faster. As you already know, it's necessary to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get your YouTube channel monetized. So I will tell you an easy way to achieve these figures faster. This involves making use of AI tools to assist you in script writing and video creation. The first tool I would recommend is Pictory. It's a great tool which quickly provides you with stock videos according to your script. What's even more amazing is that it will create the whole video automatically for you from your script. Next is VideoScribe, a tool which will help you create awesome whiteboard animated videos for your YouTube channel. ChatGPT and Jasper are great tools that will help you create scripts for your YouTube videos faster. Finally, you can use Copyscape to check the originality and uniqueness of the scripts. Step 5. Hiring freelancers to grow your YouTube channel. You can also easily hire freelancers to create your faceless niche YouTube channel if you do not want to do all steps of the YouTube video creation process yourself, or if you want to speed up your channel by increasing the number of videos on your channel. Freelancers are also really helpful if you decide to create and manage multiple faceless YouTube channels across different niches. You can hire freelancers from websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Then you can assign tasks to the freelancers like writing the scripts for your YouTube videos or doing the voiceovers. Freelancers can also do the video editing part, create thumbnails and catchy titles for your YouTube videos. This way the whole video creation process becomes really easy, and you only have to come up with ideas for new videos. Once you have an idea, you get the video created based on the idea from your team of freelancers. The only part remaining is to make sure the video is optimized as per your requirements. Then you can simply upload the video to your YouTube channel. As you start creating YouTube videos for your channel from these steps, the quality of your videos will improve with time and your channel will start growing. Even if you start working on your YouTube channels for 2 to 3 hours every week, your channel will start growing in a few months. Once you have a large number of subscribers and quality content, you will start receiving thousands of dollars from your YouTube channel in the form of ad revenue. If you have any questions regarding YouTube video creation or monetization, you can ask them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos. Do like the video and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.